In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade on eToro and how you can sell or buy, crypto, stocks, and much more. So the first thing that we have to do is we go onto the watch list where all the coins and stocks are, and you can filter here by crypto. Let's say we only want to see crypto, so we click on crypto, or only stocks, whatever. And after we have done that, let's say we want to select Tesla right here, Tesla stock. So we're just going to click on that. We can see the chart overview over here, and you can see the market cap. You can see what other people do, and you have this kind of forum right here. And what we have to do is we're going to click on trade, and now we have the option to buy or sell, the stock. If you want to sell, we just click on short. If you want to buy, obviously we click on buy. Then we select the amount right here. If we want to leverage trade, we can also do that. You can see there many leverage positions available. There's a 1x, 2x, and 5x, but you always have to consider that leverage trading is very risky. And then we're gonna just click on buy, because for this video I want to buy, but I make a lower amount, let's say $100, and then I'm just gonna click on the buy option right here. And now you can see order received, and as you can see, we just bought the stock. And yeah, that's how you sell or buy a stock or crypto coin, whatever, on Trading 212. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.